up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we is about to unbox and install possibly what's in this bad boy and possibly get drunk on some Paul Mason. You heard? So you guys already know this video should be a good one. Now, oddly enough, I have yet to see a D-Series hybrid racing shifter install video on YouTube. And well, today is the day that changes, my friends. What I have in this box is indeed Hybrid Racing's new and innovative B/D series shifter, and maybe some other goodies like a banner, maybe, I don't know. We gonna bounce out. But without calling the homies out, let's unbox this bad boy and see what all we got. So we have our brand new Maxim shift knob from Hybrid Racing. This is indeed black. I'll unbox that to you guys. Got some reservoir covers. Got the best goddamn smelling air freshener aside from black ice. Awesome sauce, baby. Got a lot of these bad boys. So which means giveaway. I think we should do a giveaway, right? Also have some Hybrid Racing stickers as well. Got my new Dimensions hoodie because mine is thrashed. Got my windshield banner, and I also have, well, your boy gonna be installing today, baby, that B/D series short shifter, baby. Finally got my hands on this beautiful art piece. Look how beautiful this thing is. Oh my god, I got that black on black to match, baby. Yes sir. Cool thing about this, I could swap like knobs with my Integra. So if I want to run this black knob and run the golden on this setup, I can do that, which is cool. And before I continue along with the video, if you guys would like anything from hybridracing.com, use discount code 5OFFZOSH and get 5% off your entire purchase order with whatever you want to order, whether it's awesome sauce, B/D series shifters, K series shifters, they got it all, baby. So go check it out and let me know what you think. But without further ado-sies, let's back this bad boy on up in here and get to the installation process. All jacked up in the air on jack stands, safety of course. Now this right here is the stock D series shifter from an EK, but this is my current throw with the shifter. This is how long it is. And if you're asking why this big hole there, this car was originally automatic and I converted it to manual. I'm only saying that to the people that may watch this video and that don't watch the videos normally, and they came across this one because they want to buy the Hybrid Racing D series shifter. So you know what I mean, I gotta just say that, you know, YouTuber things. Stock bushings, never been replaced. Stock shifters, everything is pretty much stock. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I'm in reverse. First step is complete, which is jacking up the car. Second step would be jack stands, of course. Third step, start removing the shifter. To unmount the shifter from the chassis, there's two 12mm bolts holding up this bad boy to this, and then when you go to the transmission, there's a 10mm, and then you have to hit out this thing we call the bitch pin in the Honda community. So we gotta knock that out, drop the entire shifter, and then go from there. It's actually going to be quite hard to remove the shifter from, you know, the tunnel, because, well, when I drilled my hole, I forgot to put a washer in there, so I have to basically have someone underneath the car with a ratchet, so when I loosen it from up top, it don't just spin the whole entire thing itself. And I'm probably confusing myself, but hopefully you guys will understand what I'm saying when I show you guys right now. Let's see if I can actually show you guys what I'm talking about. See how it's just spinning the entire thing? So somebody has to basically go underneath and hold it, but there's nobody here. I'm pretty sure this one can actually come out though. I'm certain this one can. Yeah, see, this one can come out. Well, I stand corrected. That was actually pretty easy. All I did was put my hand underneath and hold it. So thing's about to drop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Now we come underneath to actually start removing it from here. So once we remove this 12mm bolt and then hammer out this bitch pin, we should have the entire shifter drop for us to do what we got to do. Man, I hope I don't have to drop the exhaust again, because that sucks. It really do suck, bro. Really do suck. Big time. Big time. Okay, so I have the shifter removed out of this bad boy. Now the next thing we have to remove is these right here. This is a 12mm, use a wrench, and then on the bottom there's two 10mm bolts that you have to loosen. So you just get a 10 up in there, get the 12 wrench up here, and then you loosen it. Or you can just drop it from here. But to get room to do all that, you might want to just loosen up this 10mm right here that holds the shifter with the shift selector. So yeah, that's the first thing we should do. Now for the hybrid racing shifter, you're supposed to actually drill in third hole to secure all three bolts. But on the D series, right, I put one in. Only the two holes line up, but there's no room for me to drill a third hole. So I can't drill a third hole using this shift linkage. Now I don't know if Hasport or innovative D series shift linkages has a bigger base where you can drill in another hole, but this one you sadly can't. So I'm just gonna have to just use the two holes that I have from factory and then just go from there. Look at this, man. So I sent my dog David Like, bro, you gonna love this install video. Professional, dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting my angles, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm making it look all clean. This man roasted me, bro. Dog. Look at this man. This man's a clown, dog. Clown. But as far as the shifter, every tool you'll need will be basically a 12, a 13, a 10, and a 6mm Allen head socket majuk, and a 5mm Allen head socket majuk. Or maybe that was a 4 I used. But all in all, we have this bad boy ready to be reinstalled. And now I wish that I will be replacing my shifter bushing. I should have ordered some shifter bushing before I put this back in, but they're not too hard to exchange anyway. So I'll just rock these for now until I get some energy suspension bushings to come in. They're like $12 on eBay, so order those bad boys today, and then when they come in, I'll just put those in without filming it or anything like that. But yep, now time to reinstall. So for my reinstall, I had to drop well, the catalytic converter from the header itself so I can have room to put my shifter up in there, because I feel like I was supposed to put this on, like this part of the linkage first, and then the one that goes into the actual transmission on second, so I could have room. But well, make it do what it do. So now it's just time to install this bad boy, now that I have all this out the way, which I should have did in the first place, but whatever. Okay, so now that we reversed ordered what we just did, we should now see our hybrid shifter. And what do we see? Our motherfucking hybrid shifter, babe. All right, so first gear, first, second, up, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Wow, look how short that is. Wow. Now it's time to install our final piece, baby. First, second, third, hit my knuckle, fourth, fifth, reverse. Now, if you want to adjust your throw, all you have to do is loosen this Allen right here, which would be, I believe, a 4. That should be a 4 to loosen. I think it's a 4. And then you will raise it or lower it depending on how you would like your preference to be. And it's just that simple. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Oh my God. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. So I just left the store. I had to buy the screw piece so I can attach my head mount thing to the GoPro. So now we're ready to roll, baby. I've been driving for like the past 2 hours. I had to go to the junkyard to see if I can find the brake pedal. Couldn't find it, but all in all, we got some POV action, baby. And bro, like this thing, like look how short it is already. Like look at this. Look at this, bro. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. So slow. I need a chipped ECU ASAP. I would do Hyundai, but I don't think I'm gonna do Hyundai until I get like a B series or something. But bro, this shifter's amazing. Like, bro, it's so good. Like it's night and day difference compared to the stock shifter. Like I don't even need shifter bushings. Like, look at this. I don't need no shifter bushing. This is fine. Hybrid definitely killed it with this shifter, bro. Like, this thing is amazing. This car is so slow, dude. It's so slow. It catches perfect. I love this thing. I really do need to get like a Circuit Hero plate or something, but bro, thank you, Hybrid. Love you guys very much. See you guys for Ibach, New Jersey in 2 months. If you guys are thinking about upgrading your shifter to this, if you have a B series or D series, preferably D series since this is what I have, throw out that dual bin you have, whatever. Throw out that dual bin you call a shifter and pick. I'm just playing, but yo, you should definitely pick up this shifter, bro. Like, it's worth every penny. Like, it's so good. Like, look at this, bro. Look how short dude, I did no adjustments to this and it's like perfect.
Now back to the show.
So one of the last steps into this whole process of installing the hybrid shifter, Kwak Lee and his magical hands, we're gonna install my new windshield banner. So yee Kwak Lee, Uji Kwak Lee. Hybrid Racing affiliated. Now we are officially done with the new shifter swap install portion of this video. Gang. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to wrap it up for this hybrid racing shifter install video portion / review. I think it was a review. Y'all would consider me POV driving a review? If so, got your review. And my unbiased opinion on the shifter is that it's awesome. Like, it really is great. Like, it's a night and day difference. Like, the shifter is really great. So if you're looking to get one, use discount code 5OFFZOSH at hybridracing.com. You know what I mean? And yeah, man, so David and Will, everyone over at Hybrid Racing, thank you guys for sending this out to me, man, with the new hoodie and the air freshener. I appreciate you guys. I figured out something in the future to give away, like the awesome sauces and the stickers in case you guys would want one. I'll figure something out that's like really cool and exciting as a giveaway, so you don't have to really do much because people really are just lazy now. Like, but I'm lazy too, so I understand. But to wrap this all up, like my dad didn't, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. And it's time to get these coilovers installed, so later.